Hey everyone, if you want to install Proton VPN in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to download, install, and set up Proton VPN on your device. First, Proton VPN is a secure virtual private network that helps protect your privacy and encrypt your internet connection. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Proton VPN website. Now click Sign Up and create a Proton account using your email address. Select a plan. Yeah, Proton VPN offers both free and paid options depending on your needs. Next, download the Proton VPN application for your device. It is available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Proton account. Now choose a server location and click Connect. Yeah, this will activate your secure VPN connection. You can enable features like Kill Switch and Secure Core for extra privacy. Open a website and check your IP address to confirm your VPN is working. For better performance, choose a server closest to your location for faster speed. A common mistake is forgetting to connect the VPN before browsing sensitive websites, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to install Proton VPN in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.